Hello students, you are watching Sure Success classes. Now we are going to learn very important concepts in math. Those are factors and multiples. In factors and multiples, these two concepts are related to multiplication. This is multiplication sign. Factors are related to it and multiples are also related to it. If the multiplication fact MF is 5 into 4, at that time we will get the result 20. Here the result is called product, and these two numbers, the number to whom we multiply is called multiplicand, and the number by which we multiply is called multiplier. These two numbers, multiplicand and multiplier, are called factors. The numbers to be multiplied are called factors, and these factors completely divides the product. If we want to find out the factors of any number, if for example number is 18, here first we have to find out the pair of numbers whose product is 18. We know 18 ones are 18, means 1 is the factor of this 18. Then after that 2 into 9, 9 twos are 18. This 2 is also factor of this 18, and 9 is also factor of this 18. It completely divides this 18. Then 3 into 6. I am writing here in order 1, 2, 3. You can put in your mind this order. 6 into 3 we will get 18. Means 1, 2, 3, 9, 6. These are the factors of this 18. We can't get other number of pairs other than this. Here the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, then 6, 9 and 18. From this we come to know that number itself is the factor of that number, and 1 is the factor of any number. Let's go for multiples. Multiples are those natural numbers which are obtained by multiplying any whole number to it. Suppose we have to find out the multiples of 4. Here we can multiply this 4 by 0, 1. These are whole numbers. 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers are move again, move ahead. 4, here we will get 0 as our answer. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. These numbers are the multiples of 4s. Similarly, the multiples of 7 are 7 zeros 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. In this way we can find out the multiples of any number. Generally in our study we will consider the non-zero multiples of any number. Students, you should keep in mind important facts about multiples. First one is every number is multiple of itself, and least multiple of itself is non-zero number, that is number itself. And second fact about multiples is there are infinitely multiples of any number. Let's solve question related to factors and multiples. First question is list the factors of given numbers. First example is 12. Here we will start with the number 1. Every number is factor of itself. Then we will take 2. 6 twos are 12. Means 2 and 6 are the factor of 12. Then 3. 3 fours are 12. Then we will move to 4, but we have written here 4. We can't get 12 in the table of 5, means 5 is not factor of 12. Then in the table 6 we will get 12, means these are the factors of 12. Factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and number itself, that is 12. Then we will move to this one. Here we will start with again number 1. 72s are 72, 1s are 72, then 2. Here we will get in this way, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 1 remain here, 2 6 are 12, means 36 into 2 is equal to 72. Then we will write here 3, check in this way, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 will remain here, 3 4s are 12. It can divide this number completely, means this is the factor of given number. Then 4, 72 divided by 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, means 4 1s are 4, 3 will remain, 4 8 are 32, means 18 into 4 we will get 72. Then in the table 5 we can't get 72, and then we will move to 6. 6 1s are 6, 1 will remain, 6 2s are 12. In the table 7 we can't get 72, then check it with 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 9s are 72, 8 into 9. Then 10 is not factor of 72, 11 is also not factor of 72, and we have written here 12, means these are the factors of this 72. Factors of 72 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and number itself, that is 72. These are the factors of 72. Let's take some examples related to multiples. Question is, list all the multiples of 7 between 5 and 79. Here between 5 and 79, don't get confused students. Here 7 is greater than 5, so we will start with 7 1s are 7. Number is always multiple of itself. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63 and 7 10s are 70. Then we will move ahead. 7 11s are 77. If we multiply 7 by 12, we will get 84. It is greater than this one, 79. So we will take these numbers up to 77. This is not in our answer. So the multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70 and 77, between 5 and 79. Go for next one. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. Here we will start with 1. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. Here I would like to add here one thing, that to solve such type of examples you should perfect in tables. Then 9 into 4, we will get 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. After that 9 into 11, we will get 99. It is near to 100. After it 9 into 12, we will get 108. Means this is greater than 100. So we will stop here. So the multiples of 9 up to 100 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and 99. You can drop this side. Only you can write this 9, 18, 27, 36, these numbers in your answer. Students, I hope now the concept of factors and multiples is clear. In both the concept, one common thing, that is tables. If you can remember the tables perfectly, at that time you can solve such type of examples in short period of time. This appeal is to students as well as their parents. If you like the videos of Sure Success classes, kindly subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Share this video with your friends, and if you have any query, kindly mention in comment box.